Understanding the phrase, not taking risks in English. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, not taking risks. This is a common phrase in English that can be a bit tricky for learners. We'll break it down, see how it's used in different contexts, and help you feel confident using it in your everyday conversations. So, let's dive in. The phrase, not taking risks, refers to the avoidance of actions or decisions that have a potential for negative outcomes. It's about being cautious and preferring safety over the possibility of failure or danger. This phrase is often used in contexts where there's a choice between a safe, known option and a more uncertain, possibly more rewarding one. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase is used. In personal decisions, I decided not to invest in the stock market because I'm not taking risks with my savings. In professional settings, our company is not taking risks with the new product launch and is conducting extensive market research. In advice or recommendations, if you're not sure about the weather, it's better not taking risks and bring an umbrella. Understanding synonyms can help expand your vocabulary. Here are a few related phrases. Playing it safe, erring on the side of caution, avoiding danger, being conservative. Each of these can be used in similar contexts but may carry slightly different connotations. In different cultures, the attitude towards risk can vary. In some cultures, not taking risks is seen as wise and prudent. In others, it might be viewed as overly cautious or fearful. Understanding the cultural context can help you use this phrase more effectively in conversations with people from various backgrounds. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, not taking risks, and how you can use it in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is all about practice, so don't hesitate to try using this phrase in your daily life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.